Bago tayo magpaalam kay Rufa May kasi, di ba meron nag-trending yon yung parang ginamit yung boses mo sa isang app na nagbibigay ng mga direksyon, di ba, sa traffic. At, Sofia, subukan natin. Kunwari nagda-drive ka, tingnan natin kung paano ka tutulungan umiwas sa traffic, sa aksidente. Ikaw ang driver ngayon, okay?
Okay. In 0 meters, follow your heart.
Oh,
And then, go 1, 4, 3, 4, 4. That turn right. All right.
turn right.
Right. And then go straight to the point. And then brake. And then, wacky.
And runabout, go straight ahead. In 100 meters, turn right. Go
Right.
straight ahead.
Yeah.
Straight ahead. Roundabout.
Roundabout.
Roundabout. In roundabout, you can see around about. And don't go straight. Go straight
Go straight.
and go home.
Thank you very much. Kaya naman to yung dapat, Rufa May, pwede ka nang umupo. Maraming salamat. Kaya naman...